today we're going to be playing with my candy machine that I made. I don't know what. My mum did that. So yeah, start the video. Guys, it took me ages to do that because it was all mashed up. So I had to fix it and it was slutty. Yeah. Slashing it now or slashing it? I'm slashing it now. Sorry, I've been watching a really crazy show, so it just made me crazy. So what to do? This whole 5p. Ooh, I just made a sweet. This sweet. I'm gonna eat it. So put in 5p, then open it up like that. As you can see, there's sweets at the top here. It won't come out. Well, because there's a big sweet. See, the sweet come out. Go back in there. That's how I do it. And all the 5p, I put cardboard around that so all the money goes in the safe spot. There's a hole there where I put all the sweets in. Yeah. That's it. And also, see what we're going to do. Ooh. How's this going? And also, I'm not just looking at the candy machine, looking at the wubba. Isn't this cool? Wow. This is so squishy. So, yeah, and in before video, I normally be quiet, but today I'm real loud. What shall I do? Watch this. My elbows are literally on the ground, as you can see inside of it. It didn't pop. I just hit myself. So, what's this? It just bounced. Stop rolling that way. Is this place like tilted? Yeah, it's tilted. The floor's tilted. You can also tell on the camera. It's tilted. This wubba. Is it mine? Big trouble. If I pop it though, like I already said. I like putting it on my head for some reason. Okay, so I've got 5p. I'm just going to look at my bag. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't got any 5p's, but because I made it, I can get as much as I want. I don't need to put any 5p's in. There we go. I only just fixed it, so it might not work for a while, but it's good. Good. Ooh, this one's mint. The other one was before, strawberry. Pink strawberry, green's apple, Ready? How does it make a smack noise? That's it. I'm gonna sit on it. Ooh, you can see that I'm actually lying on it. Can you see my butt there? So that's my mum. I can show it to you right now. As you can see. I got my own bedsheet now. I share my baby brother. Well, you can see me, just me now. And I'm 8 still. Next week until I'm 9. These tights are adults tights, so I have to keep doing that. My baby. Oh. And a granny. Now we straight to the sweet then. See, it's all blue. I go like that. It's white. On the camera, it looks more white than it does in real life. Can you see my face? I think that's it today. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So, peace out.